St. Vincent and the Grenadines Teachers Cooperative Credit Union, an attractive financial alternative.
We offer a wide range of services and benefits, including loans, savings, scholarships, death benefit, retirement saving, and much more.
Our land development program provides building lots for our members. Visit our supplies outlet for your school supplies at affordable prices.
The children, well, they benefit in terms of the dividend that we receive at the end of the year. Each student gets part of that dividend. The credit union has been holding workshops for the children, teaching them how to be thrift, just teaching them leadership skills, how to form executives and so forth.
Our membership is open to any Vincentian, so join us today. St. Vincent and the Grenadines Teachers Cooperative Credit Union, 30 years and getting better.